In this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust accessories in Catalog Avatar Creator. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and adjust any accessories that you have in Catalog Avatar Creator. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to open up the catalog and I'm going to use this item here. So you can go ahead and try out any item that you want to modify, or if you already have one equipped before joining the experience, that is fine, it is also going to work. So once you have your accessory good to go equipped on your character, click on this icon at the bottom left, currently wearing, and you should be able to see it here. So you will see all of the items that you have available. If it appears here, click on this icon at the bottom right, and it is once again going to appear here. So now you can actually change the things about the accessory. So you will have transparency options, so you can make it more transparent. You can change the reflectance. This is how it looks with full reflectance. Then you will have a custom texture. For this, you will have to enter a link, but I'm not going to do it in this video. And then you can use custom colors. So if you want to modify the color of the item, you can use this slider. Sadly, it seems a little bit glitchy depending on the accessory that you are using, but for the most part, it is going to work. As you can see, it also depends on the reflectance options that you currently have set up. Now, if you click on Transform Item, you will be able to change the position, the rotation, and the scale. As you can see, there was a warning telling me that I'm keeping it within the Roblox bounds. If you turn this off, then you can position it anywhere that you want, but for certain items that is going to look weird. So they put this warning in place to let you know that it isn't within the reasonable bounds of Roblox. If you apply, it is going to be saved and it is going to remain in the position that you set it up as. So I hope I was able to help you. Now, before I end this video, if it helped you on how to adjust accessories in Catalog Avatar Creator, be sure to subscribe. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.